Next question from Hilal Ahmed from Noida, India. Can Muslims go and visit the places of worship of non-Muslims? Depends upon what is your purpose to visit the places of worship of the non-Muslims. If you are going to know what the religion says so that you can do more dawah to them, it's perfectly permitted. I have visited various places of worship. I've gone to various temples, many. I've gone to various churches. I've had discussion with the priests, with the pandits. My main purpose was dawah. If you go for sightseeing, thinking it will benefit you in understanding Islam better and knowing the wrong things, what the non-Muslims are doing, it is permitted. But if you go to a house of worship of a non-Muslim, like many Muslim politicians do in India and in other parts of the world, that they want to show that they believe in other religions. So if they go for the inauguration of a temple, that's totally prohibited. You cannot go to inauguration of a temple, and many Muslim politicians go to show that, okay, we are secular, it is haram. You cannot endorse a place of worship of the non-Muslims. You cannot endorse a temple or a church. So if you are going to show to the people that you believe that the other religion is also correct and you visit that place, it is forbidden. But if you are going to understand the religion better so that you can do dawah, it's perfectly all right. If you go for sightseeing, as long as that sightseeing doesn't take you away from Islam and your Islam is strong and you understand the non-Muslim religion so that you can do dawah to them, it is perfectly fine to visit the places of worship of the non-Muslims.